grasp, join, carry, place. With each action comes precision, high speed, accuracy, and strength. Each separate process is joined to complete the goal smoothly, surely, and to high specs. Each individual player offering superb performance shares the same concept of joining together and heading for the same goal to become the most powerful one team. Yamaha Motors harnesses the best points of that team spirit to the utmost in the field of production and craftsmanship. Yamaha creates one team, spanning post-processes of semiconductor manufacturing to surface mounting processes. That is the core of the one-stop smart solution concept. This M2M integration system extracts the utmost performance from the production line via a high synergistic effect from each machine and software with no black box. A new mounter, which will be the core of the Yamaha one-stop smart solution concept, has made its debut. This is the YRM20, a new premium high-efficiency modular mounter. This is a mounter with a totally new innovative platform that integrates YSM series and Sigma series technology to achieve the ideal intelligent factory. This combines a new machine control system fully compatible with the IoT generation, along with application software that excels at high-speed operation yet is highly durable. All of this comes with a unique and highly effective machine design. All of this comes together in a new next-generation mounter. Let's take a look at two types of YRM20 heads. One head is the newly developed high-speed, highly versatile rotary-type RM head, while the other is the inline HM head that delivers both high universality and high speed via the one-head solution. The RM head achieves the world's fastest mounting speed of 115,000 CPH in the two-beam, two-head class when used in combination with our new high-speed feeder. It offers overwhelming productivity. Even though it is a super-fast rotary head, it is still extremely versatile, handling components ranging from ultra-tiny 0201 chips to maximum 12 millimeters square. The HM head also boasts a mounting speed of 98,000 CPH by a combination of a newly developed servo system and mechanical design based on long years of experience. It can also handle components in sizes from ultra-tiny 0201 chips to a maximum of 55 by 100 millimeter components. The HM head achieves both speed and versatility at the same time. The RM head and HM head are both capable of mounting ultra-tiny 0201 size chips. A newly designed X-beam reduces warping from thermal stress to a minimum to achieve high accuracy mounting to plus or minus 25 micrometers. Use of a new type of component recognition camera has boosted recognition speed and quality to a whole new level. Basic functions and features have been vastly improved in all sections of the machine. The newly designed conveyor optimizes the layout and delivers high-speed conveying. Time needed for PCB changeovers is drastically reduced. As a result, the effective production takt time has been greatly improved. In addition, the PCB handling capability has been improved, and it can handle sizes up to 510 millimeters in width. A new feeder has been developed to follow the speed of the RM head. This is a new type of high-speed, high-durability feeder with improved tape feed speed. Overdrive motion that inherits the Sigma series technology has reduced restrictions when two opposing heads enter each other's space, improving actual productivity. An innovative next-generation mounter that integrates all of Yamaha technology with a completely new platform. The new premium high-efficiency modular YRM20. Now let's take a look at the premium printer YSP10. We totally redesigned the machine layout and task sequence from scratch to boost the cycle time by 20%. What we got was a high-end printer called the YSP10 that does high-speed printing with a cycle time at the world's top level. It includes Yamaha's unique 3S squeegee head as a standard. Using a single squeegee minimizes variations in quality caused by back-and-forth printing. It also has excellent maintenance features. In addition, the 3S squeegee head can freely change the squeegee attack angle in 1-degree units by servo control. Moreover, a stencil suction function directly clamps the stencil during printing. This prevents stencil deflection during back-and-forth printing to minimize printing deviations. At the same time, by eliminating a gap between the stencil and PCB, stable printing with the correct solder amount is also provided. The best feature of the YSP10 is fully automated setup changeovers that usually take the most time and trouble in the printing process. To achieve this, we designed and developed 3 new functions in addition to automatic program changeover and existing PSC system functions. Automatic push-up pin exchange. 2 pickup heads place pins at the optimal position. Automatic stencil replacement. After presetting the stencil needed for the next production run, the machine automatically replaces the stencil. Automatic solder transfer. This function automatically scrapes up solder remaining on the used stencil and places it on the new stencil after replacement. Fully automating the setup changeover process frees the operator from this task and shrinks the setup time to about 1/3 the time it used to take. The YSP10 is a high-end printer with fully automated setup changeovers. It also achieves operation to high specs. The Yamaha IoT M2M integration system's intelligent factory is what forms the core of the one-stop smart solution concept. The interwork flow between the ever-evolving intelligent factory and Yamaha SMT devices brings both manpower savings and self-operating functions. Now let's have a look at some of their latest software functions. The powerful P tool that supports production planning and operation processes has been updated and renewed. The POT2 functions have been consolidated so operators can create high-quality data in a short time. At work sites doing a lot of setups and changeovers, P-tool grouping automatically calculates combinations of products with many common component combinations in a production line and sets a no-waste production priority. In addition, taking into consideration the switching time for temperature profile change in the reflow process, the most efficient order can be calculated. This software minimizes setup and changeover time along with standby time to boost productivity and task efficiency. It also supports dual-lane production. Visual Editor. This allows visually checking and adjusting components' contours and mounting angles. It can even automatically calculate components' dimensions from actual images of the components. This software creates PCB data and image files from standard CAM information. It can create image files and other files from Gerber data to a high maximum accuracy of plus or minus 7 micrometers maximum. This will provide a vital assist for non-skilled operators. Newly designed graphical user interface improves usability and increases efficiency. The 3D graphics view gives the operator an accurate look at possible component interference, component mounting coordinates, and other important items to further enhance the quality of the PCB data. Next is software for component setups and changeovers and supply processes. YST15 Linked Operation. By linking the component remain monitor and batch supply software, this function drastically cuts down on the time and trouble in making setups and supply processes. Component Remain Monitor. This software monitors component delivery information on a smartphone or tablet, so the required component supply timing can be found from remote locations. Batch Supply Software. Using the YST15 along with batch supply software and an auto-loading feeder capable of presetting the next reel means that supply components needed to be unloaded by the operator can be retrieved from stock in one batch, so components can be supplied in one batch without having to stop the machine. The operator no longer has to constantly walk around checking the machines, so work efficiency is boosted to a whole new level. Moreover, linking operation to an AGV automatically transports the components to the requested work location. Floor Simulator. This software simulates how much effect would be achieved by replacing the current tape feeder with an auto-loading feeder. This is also aimed at cost effectiveness, since you can easily estimate the optimal number of auto-loading feeders to substitute for current feeders. And you can also give effective work instructions, since you can check the information of which machine is waiting to be supplied or the burden of each operator at a glance. New IT System. This functions to smoothly and efficiently link machines together. It ensures high-speed response in real time. It gives the same quick response regardless of whether it is linked to one machine or 100 machines. Also, it gives stable, reliable connections with peripheral devices and upper layer or host systems. Next, we take a look at software that helps maintain quality. Live Dashboard. Here, you can monitor the production status of the entire floor area and each production line in real time. Analyzing Dashboard. Assists in analyzing trouble issues by showing production progress and records, OEE and KPI, all in a visually easy to see and understand display. All Image Tracer. This software saves all component recognition images from the mounters with no tact loss. The viewer application can easily search for the target image from among several million or more images to swiftly pinpoint causes of defects. The stored images are linked with endpoint verification and utilizes external inspection results from before and after reflow to link information against related printer and mounter images to swiftly pinpoint causes of defects at NG mounting points. The Intelligent Factory from Yamaha brings both automation and manpower savings to the worksite. Through the one-stop smart solution concept, it provides the vital support essential for smart manufacturing. To promote and develop the one-stop smart solution as a concept in the anticipated future process fusion of semiconductor post-processes with surface mounting processes, Yamaha established the Yamaha Motor Robotics Holdings Company Limited in a joint effort along with Shinkawa Limited, APIC Yamada Corporation, and PFA Corporation. Our ultimate aim is to swiftly create a system providing a highly advanced total solution. Surface mount technology is a key element which blows life and energy into our expanding electronic society. This This multitude of products links people and towns and people by creating new things and new items to build a better and richer life for the future. The future where people and technology are fused, just like we dreamed about in our childhood, is right there waiting for us. Up your business. Yamaha works along with the customer as one team to expand craftsmanship in manufacturing into our future.